Walk you through how to place a credit spread trade order on Robinhood. So it's quite simple. We're going to use one of the trade algo ideas for our example for this video. Let's use this one right here, SPY. So again, we need to be able to find this ticker symbol SPY. So the first thing we do is we come into here into the search tab. You can do this on both mobile and desktop. Simply type in SPY and find the stock symbol. Right here we have SPY and we pull it up and now we know what we're looking at. Next thing we want to do is we want to click on Trade SPY options. If you're on the mobile app, you click on trade, you'll see multiple pop-up tabs and you click trade SPY options. So next we go into the trade SPY options and then we can use a very helpful tool called the builder. So again, we're placing a put credit spread. We know that because it's listed here as a put credit spread. If it's not, then it'll say a call. Instead, we're seeing details of a put credit spread. So that's the order that we're going to place. So here we go to builder. A put credit spread is a bullish strategy, so we're going to click the up arrow. We're going to scroll down, and right here we have put credit spread. We're going to click on put credit spread, and we're going to let the builder do its work for us. Now we're going to go and we're going to find where exactly do we want this trade to be placed. You can see here we have the 383, 382. This means that we're going to sell the first put contract at the strike price of 383 and buy the next one at 382. So this is what we're going for, 383, 382. Now with the builder, it sets that up for us. We also need to take note of the expiration date. The expiration date is March 10th, 2023. So now that we know the expiration date, let's go into the expiration date, March 10th, 2023. Now that we're on the expiration date, we want to make sure the width is $1 wide. We're going to go to $1 wide, and now we're going to look for 383, 382. So if I scroll down here, scroll down, we have right here 383, 382. Right here is roughly 2 cents to put on this trade. Now, when this trade was initially alerted, you could have put it on for roughly 15 cents. So again, you would have made your money. But again, it's been about a week, so this trade's about done. Now, again, if you have a more recent trade order, you're going to be looking to put a trade on for at least 15 cents, if not more. That makes sure the math works out in our favor. But anyways, this is an example of how to place a trade. This is not one to place right now, but that is an example. You simply come in here, you would click buy, you would see here all this, you would adjust and you would click continue and put on your put credit spread trade order. Now again, you would do the exact same thing for the call side, except for the builder, you would select the down arrow, you would scroll down, you would do a call credit spread, and you would do the exact same thing, looking for exactly what the trade alerts, whether on Discord, email, mobile text alerts, or simply the trade algo, and simply follow it to place your order on Robinhood.